Okay, last time we went over group 2 scales. We went over B, F, F sharp, and C sharp. Is this true?
Yes.
Okay, so arpeggios. Let's talk about the arpeggio for the key of F. F is the same as G and C. They are white keys. Right hand, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand, 5, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Now, people ask me this all the time. Why do we have to play 5, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1? Why can't we play 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1? The answer is, if you take it with a 3, it will shift your hand to left field. My 3 is now pointing to left field when I'm trying to go this way. If I use my 4, I stay more aligned with finger number 3, which is where I want to stay aligned with. Does that make sense?
Yeah. That makes sense.
I don't know that it's necessarily a carpal tunnel thing, but it will be better posture and better technique and more easily played with the biomechanics of the body.
So both hands, 4 on the third.
4 on the left hand, 5, 4, 2, 1.
Oh, that's 1, 2.
And 1, 2, 3 in the right. Does it make sense?
So, and same reason for the right hand.
Yeah. The right hand's going to be 1, 2, 3 for most of your arpeggios.
All right.
In this class, we're doing, what are we doing? We're doing all 12.
Yeah, we're doing it. You have
You've
all
got
12
E
with
flat, A flat, and B flat for extra.
Oh, B flat, E flat, A flat are extra credit. Yeah. So we're doing group 1 and 2. So F is the first one of group 2. B major. What's B major's color configuration? White, black, black. The right hand, same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand is going to be 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Watching out for those black keys. Questions on that? Oh, come on. I know you went with the wide angle on that.
Make your best pose. You're not in the picture.
What were you saying? D flat, C sharp, very tricky, but very fun. Before we go there, let's go F sharp. What's up with F sharp? What's my color configuration?
black, black, black.
Black, black, black.
White, black, black, white.
Nope, black, black, black. All black.
So 2, 3, and 4 is all black.
Say again.
2, 3, and 4 is all black.
2, 3, and 4. Where are you getting 2, 3, and 4?
From
No, he's talking about arpeggio, not the scales.
Down on the bottom half of the page. You with me? What's it say? It says 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 5.
1, 2, 3, 5. So like normal in the right hand, But 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And every single note is a black key. That's fun.
B flat is all black.
This is written out in your book a couple different places. You can get it in the back of the book on page 346, is it? 347 rather? 347. Or group 2 is specifically written out on page 142, 143. Our book calls it G flat, I call it F sharp. Are we good? All right, now the fun one. D flat major. What is my color configuration for D flat major?
Black, white, black.
Black, white, black. I affectionately refer to this group as the 2 4ers.
2 4s.
Or the 4 2ers. 2 4s. Right hand, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And left hand, who thought you were crying over the 49ers loss yesterday?
Oh, it was a little bit.
Oh, okay. 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2.
2s and 4s.
2s and 4s alternate, thumbs on the white keys. I find this one fun to play. Some people find it annoying. Now, truth be told, this is the same fingering for E flat and A flat, which are extra credit. It's like free points. Did you get it?
2 1 4.
B flat's a little bit different. Questions? This one's weird.
Yeah.
It's like this.
Okay.
Notice that B flat, A, E, and B start off the same.
Yeah. We had a big review yesterday in Piano 2, and there's only 4 arpeggio fingerings for minor arpeggios. I think there's only 3 or 4 for major. I think D, A, and E are here, right? D, A, and E.
2 1 4.
So here's all your white keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 black key. 4 black keys. What's missing? B flat. B flat's the only one that's missing. And it is a 4 2er in the right hand. And it's 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 in the left hand.
Okay.
So there's 5 arpeggio fingerings for the 12 major arpeggio keys. Cool? Questions on that? We're doing these hands together, 2 octaves up and down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
E-
what?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just trying to form my question. E flat and A flat.
Yep.
What are those again?
Those are the same as D flat.
D flat. Okay. Okay. B flat is just by itself?
It's an oddball.
Okay,
The right hand's the same as D flat, but the left hand is not.
okay,
You with me?
yeah.
Again, these are all written out for you on page 346 without the notes.
Yeah.
Or you can find them group by group in the units. Group 2 being on page 142.
That's 347.
The majors?
The arpeggios, yes. The prelude number 1's on,
Yeah,
46.
347. Right. And then 348 is the minors for piano 2.
348? Alright, cool. Hold on again. Is that other scale the natural minor?
It's harmonic minor.
There's harmonic minor here and then. Oh, oh. Harmonic.
Questions? All right, that's your arpeggios.